we can see that periodic table is not, just boxes. It's not just a square or rectangle shape. It's kind of weird. There is one step, over here, and there is a step again, and there is a step again over here, and there's a step again over here, and this space is not filled while this is filled. So why is this happening? Right? Technically, it's supposed to be this. So why is this weird table over here? That's what we're trying to understand. So the question is, what pattern or rule did the scientist use to create the periodic table? Periodic table is going to help us with this particular question, understanding the similarities and differences and everything. It helps us. You'll see that I'll be using this a lot, that is periodic table a lot, to talk about different reactions. So obviously this is made by someone, that is group of people. So what is that they use to make this is the question. Obviously one of the most fundamental thing is number of proton. So you can see that it's in increasing order. What is increasing order? Over here, if I move from top left to the bottom right, in the left, in each row, going each row from the left side, the number of protons will keep on increasing. Okay, I think I have it over here. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so on and so forth, till 118. Right? That's one of the things that the people have considered, scientists have considered. But yeah, that will not give this weird shape. But what is that? What is making this table take up this weird shape? That's the question. It is to do with similarity of behavior. Elements, that is atoms, in the same column act like family. Okay. Now, what is that similar behavior? We use the word similar behavior. We need to understand what is this similar behavior. Only then we'll be able to understand the reactions better. What are the similar behavior of atoms that use to organize them in a periodic table? The list is similar ways of reacting. Elements in the same vertical column often react with other substance in a similar way. We'll get to see a lot of examples of this. So they react similarly. So basically all of this, okay, they react in a particular way. There's a particular pattern to it. All of this, they react in a particular way. Again, I'm just giving a thumb rule. There's a lot of variation. Obviously, you can see that in day-to-day life. But again, we're entering all of this in a systematic manner. So similar type of compounds are formed. Elements in the same group tends to form similar types of compound with other elements. Okay, guys. So elements in the same vertical column, they are called as groups or family. Okay. So this is one group, this is another group, this is another group, so on and so forth. A better version is over here. So this groups of family, the elements in the same group, that is the family, or vertical column, that is column, tends to form similar type of compounds with other elements. And this particular box, that will help you learn the reaction faster and much easier. Many of you will be here because you find chemistry difficult. And if you want to make chemistry easy, this is what you need to understand. Look for patterns. Okay. And where do we start off looking at pattern? Periodic table. So keep a periodic table in front of you when you're studying chemistry. As simple as that. Okay, guys.